Yo, part 2 of Cassidy versus Hitman Holla face off. This a little face off. They getting their little shit off before their little rap battle and shit. You get what I'm saying? Um they're in a little room, you get what I'm saying? And it's a little mediator that's controlling the thing and shit, but he ain't doing too much controlling because he getting pushed and shoved out the way. This shit is something that the battle rappers do before their little rap battle. They have a face off or something the day before or whatever the case may be. Just that prior to their rap battle, they have a face off and they sit in chairs across from one another, and then they just basically say what they gonna do to one another at the battle and this and that. But instead of them speaking on the rap battle, these motherfuckers talking about street shit to the point where Hitman Holla, y'all might know him as the bald head dude on Wildin' Out, to be rapping and shit like that. You get what I'm saying? Him and Cassidy got a had a rap battle. It done passed now, but you get what I'm saying. This a little face off prior to the rap battle, and that shit got heated to the point where I think Cassidy got 15 goons with him in the cut, and they sit in a room, and Hitman Holler said he came by himself, but he got a black bag in the cut, and he keep grabbing the shit, insinuating that he got a ratchet in that bag and he gonna add a room out. You get what I'm saying? But this shit is deep, yo. I'm talking about that shit is deep, deep.
You stood up first though. Like, stand up. All right, chill out. I ain't stand up first. Chill out, man. Allow my name, bro. I ain't stand up first. Nigga, relax. I'm talking about when you stood up earlier. How to relax. I was talking to them. But cool. But it's all energy, my nigga. Everybody calm down. My nigga, I'm not trying to blame you for nothing, my nigga. Let's get this face off going. I ain't for none of that. All right, everybody calm down. Calm down. Always put the niggas in the face. Calm down, my nigga. Y'all don't need to be threatening, my nigga. My nigga, chill. He brought up fight.
Right, chill. Cash, chill. Let's keep it battle rap now. All battle rap, my nigga. This nigga. All battle rap now.
Hey, watch what you do, bro. Watch what you do, bro, because I really hurt you here.
Battle rap.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Whatever way it go. Whatever way it go. Whatever way it go. Whatever way it go. I don't give a fuck. Don't take it. There's no need. Whatever way you want it to go. Stay in your seat. Whatever way you want it to go. Stay in your seat. Stop staying in your seat. Nobody stay in your seat. That's what I'm saying. I got different type of niggas in here. Stop standing up like you about to do something. Threaten me again, bro. I'ma shit right here. I'ma shit right here. Threaten me. I don't like the threats. I don't like the threats. So let's go all battle rap. Let's go all battle rap. Let's keep standing up like you about to threaten me again. Keep it battle rap. Keep it battle rap. Keep it battle rap. This motherfucker again like I'm one of these battle rap. I don't take threat lightly. One of your niggas in here. I said what I said. I said what I said. But that other nigga retarded. On PART2. Fuck is you time? I don't bring up no motherfucking street shit to me, nigga.
Everybody good. Everybody good.
I said what I said. All
right. I'll just give it a second. Let's just give it a second to calm down. Just give it a second to calm down.
You should have been playing tough.
Yo, knowledge. Niggas bad. You that bad.
When them niggas took your fake ass rolling in Nick Cannon chain, you should have been running to get back. You should have been acting tough like you like that. You should have been acting like that. Why you ain't just trying to grab a back in? You never told me I don't gotta say what happened after, because it ain't never fucking until you press it. Look, you press it twice. What is this nigga talking about, man? What is this nigga talking about, man? That shit ain't never hurt me. Yo, hurt me then. Hurt me then. My shit goes. That shit goes. We done. We're not one of these niggas that shit goes. We done. Like, I don't know who the fuck is on my shit really rewind the footage and tell me what this convo went up, man. Rewind the footage and tell me what this convo went up. Nigga threatened me, tell some niggas in here. Man, don't threaten me. I came in to talk rap, bro.
We good. Holla, we good. Yeah.
Read the camera and tell me who changed the topic.
Relax.
Man, I ain't, man.
Relax.
Alright.
Yeah, relax. Come talk to me.
Hey, Cass, you gonna find out the hard way.
Holla. Just come
Man,
talk to me.
let me, man, got 15 niggas that don't
All
play
right,
me like that, bro.
you held yourself down. Come
Good,
talk to me
bro.
now. How relax, my nigga? Just relax for a second. You got it.
Crazy, bro.
You held yourself down, my nigga. You still pressing that way, my nigga. I just need you to calm down a little bit.
Cool.
Can we come step with me for a second?
I ain't stepping nowhere.
You want to end it? Just tell me what you want to do.
Nah,
Wanna end it?
I ain't going on here.
So let me know what you want to do.
I'm here, bro.
You say I'm trying to get
Yo, you crazy. Hey,
trying.
get it right. Yo. Hey, John. Hey, Cass. Hey, let's go catch a fade, Cass. Let's go catch a fade.
There's gonna be no
Let's go
fade.
catch a fade.
There's not gonna
Let's
be
go
a
catch
fade. There's not gonna be a
Let's go
fade.
catch a
There's
fade.
not gonna be no fade. There's gonna be no fade.
Find out what happened. You also know what happened.
You know what? Come on, let me get Cass. Let me bring Cass.
Hey, Cass. My son can die if I'm lying. My son can die if I'm lying. Bitch ass nigga. I ain't worried about nothing.
Don't worry about it.
Read the footage. I'm talking about battle rap. He brought up fighting. He brought up guns. He brought up street shit.
I know.
What you talking about? I